Welcome to RevCheck. Today, we dive into an extraordinary piece of automotive luxury, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement of supreme craftsmanship, unmatched elegance, and next-level comfort on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on the exterior, you realize this motorhome stands in a class of its own. Its sleek design blends the regal presence of the Maybach badge with the practical grandeur of a motorhome. The smooth, aerodynamic lines, combined with subtle chrome accents and signature LED lighting, create an impression of power and refinement. This is a mobile palace designed to impress at every angle. Stepping inside reveals a world where luxury meets innovation. The spacious interior is crafted with the finest materials. Rich leather upholstery, polished wood trims, and brushed metal accents create an atmosphere reminiscent of a high-end private jet or a five-star hotel suite. The seating is designed for ultimate relaxation, with plush, adjustable captain chairs and reclining sofas that invite you to unwind while enjoying the scenic journey. Ambient lighting customizes the mood perfectly, whether you want a calm evening glow or bright illumination for social gatherings. The kitchen in the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome redefines the concept of culinary luxury on the road. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and a high-capacity refrigerator, it's a dream for any food enthusiast. The countertops are made from elegant quartz, offering both beauty and durability. Smart storage solutions keep everything neat and accessible, while a built-in coffee machine lets you enjoy your favorite brew anytime. This kitchen is more than functional. It's designed to inspire gourmet creations wherever you are. Moving to the bedroom, the motorhome offers a private sanctuary. The king-size bed features memory foam mattresses and luxury linens that promise restful sleep even on the longest trips. Smart windows with adjustable tinting provide natural light and privacy at the touch of a button. Advanced climate control ensures your comfort no matter the weather outside. What truly sets this bedroom apart are the integrated entertainment options and ambient sound systems, delivering a soothing environment that's perfect for winding down after a day of travel. The bathroom continues the theme of elegance and practicality. It's fitted with a spacious shower that boasts multiple jets and adjustable temperature controls for a spa-like experience. High-end fixtures, including a touchless faucet and a designer vanity with ample storage, elevate the space beyond what you'd expect in a motorhome. Luxurious towels and eco-friendly toiletries complete this mobile oasis, making it feel like a retreat rather than just a necessary stop on the road. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is its advanced technology suite. The cockpit features an intuitive digital dashboard with augmented reality navigation, providing real-time information in the driver's line of sight. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, entertainment, and climate systems, allowing you to focus on the journey, while the motorhome adapts to your preferences automatically. Safety technologies like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and collision avoidance systems ensure peace of mind on every mile traveled. Space utilization inside the motorhome is remarkable. Clever engineering allows for expandable sections that increase living area when parked, creating a spacious lounge or dining area that can comfortably host guests. The layout is open yet intimate, promoting both privacy and sociability. Sound insulation is top-notch, making the interior peaceful even when driving through noisy environments. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome combines power with smoothness. Under the hood lies a hybrid engine that balances impressive horsepower with eco-friendly efficiency. This powertrain provides effortless acceleration and quiet cruising, reflecting the brand's commitment to luxury and sustainability. The advanced suspension system smooths out even the roughest roads, maintaining a stable, comfortable ride that feels more like gliding than driving. Storage solutions in this motorhome cater to long journeys with ease. Ample compartments both inside and outside allow you to pack all necessities without sacrificing living space. Whether it's outdoor gear, extra supplies, or luggage, Everything has a dedicated spot that's easy to access. Additionally, the motorhome is equipped with solar panels and a battery backup system, enhancing its off-grid capabilities and making extended travel possible without constant reliance on external power sources. The entertainment system inside the Maybach Motorhome is nothing short of spectacular. Multiple high-definition screens, a surround sound system, and smart connectivity options allow passengers to stream movies, play games, or enjoy music seamlessly. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or relaxing at a campsite, this motorhome provides all the entertainment comforts of home, integrated in a way that enhances your travel experience. Luxury in the 2026 Maybach Motorhome also extends outdoors. A motorized awning creates a shaded patio space where you can enjoy meals or simply take in the surroundings. Integrated exterior lighting and speakers enhance the ambience for outdoor gatherings. The design thoughtfully includes a built-in barbecue grill and mini fridge, perfect for alfresco dining. These features turn the exterior into a natural extension of the living space, making the motorhome ideal for both adventure and relaxation. From a connectivity perspective, the motorhome offers state-of-the-art internet and communication systems. High-speed satellite internet keeps you connected no matter where you travel, supporting work, entertainment, and communication needs. Multiple charging ports and wireless charging pads keep devices powered throughout the journey, ensuring you're always ready to capture or share your experiences. Maintenance and usability are simplified with Mercedes' signature attention to detail. The motorhome comes with an intuitive control app, allowing owners to monitor vehicle systems, control appliances, and manage climate remotely. Routine maintenance alerts and diagnostics keep you informed, while professional service networks provide peace of mind. Despite its complexity, the vehicle is user-friendly and designed to integrate effortlessly into your lifestyle. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is an unparalleled combination of luxury, technology, and practicality. It's designed for those who refuse to compromise comfort while exploring the world. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or new to motorhome adventures, this vehicle offers an extraordinary experience that elevates every mile with elegance and sophistication. It's not just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement that brings the best of Mercedes-Maybach's heritage into the realm of motorhome travel. Thank you for joining RevCheck today. If you're captivated by luxury on wheels and want to experience the future of motorhomes, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach is a benchmark worth watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest reviews and automotive insights. Safe travels, and see you on the road.